What's up, my mind your money business people? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market, which my portfolio is looking good. So hopefully yours is also. But it says here that the Dow falls 150 points. Nasdaq pops 1% as Wall Street shakes off Russia nuclear shift. So there's a lot of things happening in Russia and Ukraine. So that affects the stock market. Nonetheless, let's see what the stock market is saying today. I clicked on the wrong article. Nonetheless, still the same. The Dow slides, Nasdaq pops, bounces back, and there's issues. There's tensions in Russia and Ukraine. So here it says the U.S. stocks recovered from steeper losses in afternoon trading on Tuesday as fears over a nuclear escalation to the Russian-Ukraine war rattles market, stealing focus from nvidia earnings and other corporate results. Nvidia is giving its earnings on tomorrow after closing of the stock market on Wednesday. Having some water. Stay hydrated, people. Excuse me. Okay, back to the article. It says the Dow Jones Industrial Average was the biggest laggard of the day, down about 0.2%, but off of the lows of the session. The benchmark S&P 500 battled to back to trade above 0.3%. After the index fell below its election breakout level earlier in the trading day. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite reversed declines to gain around 0.9%, boosted by shares of nvidia, which rose around 4%. You can't hold the big kahuna down for too much longer. I believe because nvidia and AI is such a big thing. The fourth industrial revolution is going to be volatile. There's so many things into play. The smallest issue can impact the stock. There are so many companies that are also trying to get in the AI race, but nvidia is so far ahead. So the stock is going to be, pretty volatile, along with a lot of other information technology software companies, because everything is moving towards technology these days. So, but either way, the Nasdaq reversed to gain around 0.9%, as I said, boosted by shares of nvidia, of one company, which rose around 4% following a series of bullish notes from Wall Street analysts. And those were some things that I gave in previous videos talking about nvidia, new price per earnings share, moving up from 140 to 160 to 190 to $200 a share. Some analysts have been forecasting. Because, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Any and all content on this channel and in my videos are for entertainment purposes only and reflects my opinions only. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your hard-earned money. Excuse me. Man, this water's good. I gotta have some more. Yep. Okay, let's see what else the article says. Or is there anything else to say? Oh, it says investors are assessing news that President Vladimir Putin has signed a revised nuclear doctrine that allows Russia to expand its use of atomic weapons. Ooh. The changes mean a large-scale aerial attack could prompt a nuclear response, and any attack by a non-nuclear state that is supported by a nuclear power will be viewed as a joint assault. Cool. It comes just as days after President Joe Biden gave Ukraine the go-ahead to use U.S. long-range missiles to strike inside Russia. I need some water on that one. Ukraine carried out its first such aerial attacks in a border region on Tuesday morning. There's so much I could say, but I'm not going to. Either way, U.S. bond prices climbed alongside gains for gold and other safe haven assets as the risk-off trade kicked in. Treasury yields, which move inversely to bond prices, fell, with the 10-year benchmark yield down 3 basis points, around 4.38%. Gold jumped nearly 1% to trade above $2,600 an ounce. Gold. Bitcoin prices rose to a new record of above $93,500 a token. I remember when Bitcoin had dropped down to $17,000 or $15,000 a few years ago, and I thought about buying one, just one. I should have, but it had been so volatile since then. No, it's gained since then. I wish I had bought one, but I don't know what is the business of Bitcoin. I don't know how it operates, so I'll leave it alone for now. Okay, the geopolitical situation blotted out themes such as corporate earnings, President-elect Trump cabinet picks, the path of interest rates, and Wall Street's view of where stocks are headed. We're headed into interesting times, I will say that much. There's so much going on, unlike any time before. But I will say there's nothing new under the sun. I don't even know why I said that. But either way, meanwhile, the countdown is on to nvidia's earnings on Wednesday. Seen as a test of the AI trade that has powered gains on Wall Street. This one company has powered gains on Wall Street. The chip maker's stock edged higher in pre-market trading after getting bruised. It got bruised by a report of overheating issues with its flagship new AI product. And I talked about on my previous video. So check it out. So yeah, that's it. So let's see what the market is looking like right now. Damn. I wish I had bought that. Okay, either way, nvidia is up $6.65. The market is going to be open for like another hour. Well, not hour, technically 53 minutes. Tesla is up $6.07 right now. What is the S&P 500 doing? My SPLG S&P 500 ETF is up around 18 cents. I'll take that. My information technology ETF is up $1.82. I will take that. Palantir is up 83 cents. Apple is up 68 cents. Broadcom is down 13 cents. What else? SPY, the S&P 500, SPDR S&P 500 ETF is up $1.35. It's much expensive though. It's $589 a share currently, right? When you can get the same ETF, different company, SPLG, same returns for $69.35. SMCI I'm looking at, they got their auditor. I don't think they're being delisted. And it's currently up $7. Yeah, that's good. That is good. So yeah, that's it. That is it for the market today. Dow slipped a little bit. S&P 500, Nasdaq bounced back. Issues in Russia and Ukraine. Yeah, I was about to say something about the Ukraine and the missiles, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it positive. Keep it here. Stock market. All right. Yeah, keeping a positive outlook. So yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all, invest, people, lower your debt to income ratio. Invest. Find something to do that will help you and your family. Invest more into appreciating assets while we can. Yeah, make the most out of your day and your job, your work. Don't work yourself to death. Work smarter, not harder. So yeah, all right, you guys, peace.